saying you could actually see ghosts?
He visits our friend Hammerhead.
So you're sure a ghost visited you?
Exactly, lad. See, it all makes sense.
Ah, sure.
Now listen up. Head to the top of the compass, but beware of the scaly danger.
Right. Blue seas are you talking about?
Fool! Go north! There's a cave with a giant crocodile in it.
And I'll find a golden clue there?
Aye, the croc loves riddles. But listen and remember,
And the answer is always a crocodile?
Yes! So the riddles are rubbish! The danger must be in its voice!
Ah, like the sirens, the ones that hypnotize with their singing.
Exactly! Oh, I need to protect myself.
Got it covered.
Oh, man, Madeline! I was just saying I need something to block me hearing.
Right!
Do you have any ideas?
I'll try to think of something.
Never mind! I'll just try to think of something. I've got to go.
Who are you? What's your name?
This must be the place.
I said, what's your name?
A crocodile.
Your name is a crocodile?
Hammerhead?
What are you doing here?
And that's a creepy giant crocodile.
He can deal with that himself.
I believe the answer is a crocodile.
No, we can't. And we can't let him get eaten, can we?
Well, maybe just nibbled a bit.
Why have you come here?
I know! A crocodile!
Who do you think you're messing with?
A crocodile!
Yeah,
No, maybe a crocodile?
all right, now you're just getting boring. I'll have to eat you.
That doesn't sound good. Hey! Niptons! Ah! You gotta help save my dad!
We were about to do that anyway.
Although, I don't remember agreeing to that.
Get off me, boy!
Ahem, ahem, Mr. Crocodile. Leave that man alone.
You, my mortalest mortal enemy.
What have we got here?
Hammerhead may be a lying, thieving pirate who deserves to be eaten, but he does not deserve to be eaten.
The riddles. I'll just eat the both of you.
Get out of here.
This time, you are doomed. Get mortal enemies.
Oh, isn't she a beaut?
Not sure what it is, but it's very shiny.
What? Speak up, lad!
He said it's shiny, you... And you haven't been listening to me, have you?
Excellent point, Madeline! It is very exciting, isn't it?
Should we just leave him like this?
Sure.
Yeah.
Don't walk away. Catch more of me in the Deep Animated series on a channel near you.